is the Insta360 ONE X2 sound test. As you can see, people are still out here. I drove all the way out here and I didn't think it was going to be raining this much. As you can see, my glasses are all rained up. Brought my doggy with me, Leo over there. But I said, I'm still going to make a video, you know what I'm saying? It is waterproof, so that's you know, there's a highlight there. I'm gonna walk around, give you guys a little tour of this beautiful spot. It's the Palace of Fine Arts. Ooh, it is cold out here. Starting to drop. It is free. This is a 360 video, so you have the power to choose what you want to see. I'm gonna walk around a little bit more just so you can get just a feel for this beautiful space over here. I just realized I forgot my mask. So that's the center of it. I'm gonna walk over here. How do these mics sound? Like, it's kind of windy out here a little bit too. It's a little windy, as you can tell. It's raining. I'm gonna have to give you guys a wipe down every now and then. I walked out of the Palace of Fine Arts main area, so it's definitely, you know, raining. The water capability is getting tested right now as well. Sound test as well as a water test. Woo, it's cold too. Cold test as well. It's like 40 degrees out here. Check out this tree right here. The trees out here are psychedelic, man. They got all kinds of stuff growing. If I'm ever a billionaire, this is literally what my backyard might kind of look like, but with like marijuana plants growing everywhere. Sorry, Lee. It's like the Garden of Eden. Damn, look at my glasses. My glasses are super crazy. So this is one exit right here. I'm gonna walk. Let's walk back. I'm gonna go to the other side of this whole thing. As you can tell, we were over there. Depending on where you're looking, we were on that side over there. That's the big kahuna up there. Let's give you guys another little wipe down. Wipe you down, ladies and gentlemen. It is hectic out here. It is hectic. Excuse me for the bad visuals from the wife now. How you doing, brother? Say what's up to YouTube.
See the letter T?
The letter T, yes sir.
Right there in the corner?
Yeah.
Corn block? This is black pepper tea.
Black pepper tea.
Then you have ginger tea.
Uh-huh.
This whole place was built after the Chinese language.
Chinese language.
Yeah.
Chinese architects.
I have a book on Chinese language. CE. There's some nut wanting to put the eggs because it looks nice.
Sweet. It does have like a certain feng shui to it.
Yeah, these Chinese. All these different types of tea. Ginger tea. You have mint tea on the other side.
Uh-huh. I appreciate you. Stay warm, man. God bless. All right. I gotta wipe my glasses down. Stand you guys up for a little bit. Yeah, come here. He's so skinny. What happened?
He's old.
How old is he? I hope he's not too old.
13. He's not my dad. I'm his dad.
He looks like he's dying. Good boy. Now you guys are all watered up. Man, I'm telling you, with this water out here, we'll get you guys cleaned up. Say hello. What's up, people? Say what's up to YouTube. I said, fuck it, I'm still gonna make a video. I didn't think it was gonna be this rainy.